Are you planning a camping trip soon? One of the most important things to consider when camping is lighting. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on the best camping lights for your outdoor adventures. In this video, we'll be discussing the best camping lights available on the market, including their features and benefits. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. BIOLITE ALPENGLOW 500 Lantern. The BIOLITE ALPENGLOW 500 lantern is a versatile and durable lighting option for camping enthusiasts. This compact lantern packs a powerful punch with its 500 lumens of bright LED light, making it ideal for illuminating larger campsites or even night hikes. What sets this lantern apart from others on the market is its unique design that allows you to control the color and brightness of your light. With over 200 different color options available, you can customize the ambience to match your mood or activity. The ALPENGLOW 500 also features an adjustable dimming feature that helps conserve battery life when needed. Speaking of batteries, this lantern boasts an impressive runtime of up to 6 hours on high mode and up to 120 hours on low mode. LED Camping Lantern. LED camping lantern is a must-have for any camping enthusiast. It is designed to offer excellent illumination in the dark, making it easier for campers to navigate around their campsites, cook meals, and enjoy other activities at night. One of the most impressive features of this lantern is its versatility. It has 3 lighting modes: full brightness, half brightness, and flashing, which means you can adjust the light output according to your needs. Another benefit of this lantern is its ability to be powered by either AA batteries or rechargeable battery packs. This makes it an ideal choice for extended camping trips where access to electricity may be limited. The LED camping lantern also boasts long-lasting performance with up to 12 hours of continuous use on one set of AA batteries. Plus, its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to pack into your backpack without taking up too much space. GoalZero Lighthouse Micro-Charge Lantern. The GoalZero Lighthouse Micro-Charge Lantern is a compact and lightweight option for campers who want a reliable source of light. This lantern weighs only 2.4 ounces, making it easy to carry in your backpack or pocket. Despite its small size, the GoalZero Lighthouse Micro-Charge Lantern provides up to 150 lumens of bright LED light on high mode and up to 50 hours of runtime on low mode. It also includes a built-in USB port that allows you to charge your phone or other devices while you're out in the wilderness. One feature that sets this lantern apart from others is its ability to be charged using solar power, as well as traditional USB charging methods. This makes it an eco-friendly choice for those who want to reduce their reliance on disposable batteries. USD 30-Day DURO LED Lantern. The USD 30-Day DURO LED lantern is a popular choice for campers who want a reliable and long-lasting source of light during their trips. This lantern boasts an impressive runtime of up to 30 days on the low setting, making it one of the longest-lasting camping lights on this list. One great feature of the USD 30-Day DURO LED lantern is its durable construction. It's designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and rough handling, making it ideal for use in the great outdoors. Plus, its bright LED bulb provides plenty of illumination for cooking, reading, or playing games after dark. Another benefit of this camping light is its compact size and lightweight design. It won't take up much space in your backpack and can be easily carried around when you're exploring your surroundings at night. Coleman Gas Lantern. The Coleman Gas Lantern is a classic camping light that has been around for decades. It runs on propane and is very easy to use, making it a popular choice among campers. The lantern emits bright white light, which makes it ideal for outdoor activities at night. One of the best things about this lantern is its durability. It can withstand harsh weather conditions like rain and wind without getting damaged. Additionally, it comes with a hard shell carry case that protects the lantern during transportation. The Coleman gas lantern also features an adjustable brightness control knob that allows you to adjust the level of brightness to suit your needs. This feature comes in handy when you want to reduce or increase the amount of light emitted by the lantern. DURO Lighthouse 600 Lantern and USB Power Hub. The DURO Lighthouse 600 Lantern and USB Power Hub is a versatile and powerful camping light that also doubles as a charging station for your electronic devices. With its bright 600 lumen output, this lantern can illuminate even the darkest of campsites. One of the standout features of this lantern is its ability to charge multiple devices at once with its built-in USB ports. This means you can keep your phone, tablet, or other gadgets powered up while you're off the grid. Another great aspect of the Lighthouse 600 is its durability. It's designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions and has an IPX6 rating for water resistance, so it will continue to perform even in rainy weather. The lantern also includes a dimming feature that allows you to adjust the brightness level based on your needs. And if you need more and time out of it, simply switch over from high mode to low mode. UCO Original Candle Lantern Kit 2. The UCO Original Candle Lantern Kit 2 is a classic and reliable option for camping enthusiasts. This lantern has been around for many years, but it still holds up as one of the best options on the market. One great feature of this lantern is that it uses candles instead of batteries. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice, as you can simply replace the candles when they run out instead of buying new batteries. The UCO lantern also provides a warm, ambient light that creates a cozy atmosphere in your tent or campsite. Plus, it comes with a reflector to help maximize its brightness. Black Diamond Apollo Lantern. The Black Diamond Apollo Lantern is a reliable and versatile camping light that provides bright illumination in any setting. With its powerful LED bulb, this lantern can emit up to 225 lumens of light, making it ideal for lighting up campgrounds, picnic areas, or even your backyard. One of the standout features of the Black Diamond Apollo lantern is its collapsible design. When not in use, you can easily fold down the lantern into a compact size for easy storage and transport. This makes it perfect for backpackers who need to keep their gear as lightweight and compact as possible. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.